morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to bring you guys along with me for a productive day in the life because we leave on our beach vacation in about a day and a half and I have a lot to do. So let's get the day started. I'll give you guys a full bump date later, but let's just say he is definitely popping out for sure. If you're one of those people that doesn't like a pregnant lady's belly hanging out, then this is the point in the video where you should click off because this is what I'm wearing today and not a lot fits. So click off now or get over it. The brand FKRO sent me their ceremonial grade matcha powder, so I'm going to attempt to make an iced matcha latte this morning. We're gonna start some cold foam. This is the First Harvest Yuji Matcha, the barista blend from FKRO. I'm not sponsored by them, but they did send me this for free to try. I am not a professional matcha maker, so give me some tips in the comments if you have them. Oh, okay. Okay, that was the most unaesthetic thing I've ever seen. It's fine. All right, taste test. That's good. If you'd like to check out the matcha powder, I'll leave it linked in my description box. But let's get started on some cleaning, chores, packing, all the things to get prepped and ready to leave for our vacation. Okay, first I have some work from home things that I need to get done. Just some like editing, organizing, admin work, emails, things like that to make me feel like I can really go on this vacation and enjoy myself. So I'm gonna be sitting here for just a little bit of time, enjoying my matcha, my breakfast, and getting some work done. And then we'll get started on our big chores and packing. Okay, I just got finished with my work for the day. I just have a few things that are exporting, so it's time to start on my chores and my large checklist for leaving town. We have a lot of food left in our fridge, so I'm gonna be doing some snack prepping and things to make sure that we don't waste any food before we leave on the trip.
What you got, Winston? Got the broccoli head? Are you a broccoli head? You love veggies and they're cold, huh? You don't like the veggies as much, Waverly. You just try to act like you do.
It has just been so hot lately, huh? You got your cold veggies?
Okay, snack prepping is done. I cleaned up the kitchen. Now let's go do some laundry. Okay, I still have so much to do, but the weather got a little bit breezy and felt really good, so I've been just hanging out on the porch with the pups. But Dustin's pulling in from work right now, and we are going to do some packing, some more cleaning, and we're gonna make dinner.
Do you think your daddy is home? Oh my goodness, that's your daddy's home.
Okay, it is time to start packing, which means I first have to get my suitcase out of the trash room. But this will not be the trash room for much longer because my office desk is actually being delivered while we're gone. I shipped it to my parents' house. I only had a dedicated office space for a couple of months before moving out of our starter home, and then of course it was in the camper kitchen, and now I'm working at my kitchen island right now. So I can't wait to decorate the space and get my new desk in here, get some books on shelves, and just be in kind of a creative space again. This is all my office stuff right here. I'm excited to get this all put into a dedicated space. And my iMac has actually been just sitting on the floor in the closet this whole time. I cannot wait to start editing on this again. But let's see what's inside the suitcase, get it unpacked so we can start packing for our trip. I'm curious to see what's in here because this is all the stuff from the camper. Okay, this was all stuff that was underneath our bed in the camper. So like diplomas, yearbooks, like memory stuff. Okay, I'm about to put all this laundry away.
Okay, we got our suitcase set up here. Let's get to packing.
can you sit? Good boy. Okay, I'm just trying on some of my outfits just to make sure things work, because with the belly, things just sometimes don't work, or they'll work one day and they don't work the other day. So this is one of my outfits. This is my new beach purse. Here's the bump. Okay, this one I think is an option for some beach maternity photos because it really hugs the bump. And I think it looks super beachy and cute. I added this to my purse just to add a little green. Okay, this is option number 2 for beach maternity photos. I think this one kind of is a little more beach maternity photo vibe, but I kind of like the other one with what Dustin's wearing, and we would have to figure out what Dustin's wearing if I have this one. I'm just gonna pack both and we will see what I end up going with. But I'm getting tired, so that's a wrap for tonight. I will finish up packing in the morning. Good morning. It's around 4:30 a.m. on the 4th of July. I'm still in my PJs, literally just a big t-shirt. Sorry guys. But Dustin has to work this morning, so I'm making him breakfast and coffee and getting his lunch put together. And then the Chacos and I are probably going back to sleep for a little bit and then getting back up to do some more cleaning and packing. I got his eggs right here. I got him some caramel iced coffee here. His lunch is all packed. Got him some water, and then I'm gonna refill his coffee before he heads out the door. Oh, good morning. Are you sleepy? That was cute, Waverly. Good morning. I am back awake now, and I'm about to start packing and doing some more chores. First things first, I'm gonna strip this bed and get these sheets in the wash so that we have clean sheets when we get back from our vacation. Okay, my goal for today is to finish off food and drinks that are gonna go bad or that I just wanna get out of the fridge before we leave on the trip. So I'm finishing off this iced coffee this morning. I'm gonna eat this banana for breakfast this morning, and I'll probably eat the other one when we leave in the morning. I am going to dare to say that is the best creamer of all time. Cheers. Okay, time to unload the dishwasher from last night. Oh. Well, this morning started with a splash. Amazing. I hate these things. Oh, there's more. Okay, let's vacuum the entire house. Okay, just finished vacuuming the entire house. Let's go switch over the bed sheets to the dryer, start a new load, and then get to packing. I obviously didn't show this on camera, but I just got done taking nail polish off my toes, clipping them, filing my nails, doing all the things. I'm gonna paint them later, but I still have more packing and cleaning to do, so I'm gonna do that before bed tonight. And I feel like I've said this like 5 times, but I'm gonna go continue packing now. Okay, I have my travel outfit laid out here. I am currently putting the sheets back on the bed, and I'm almost finished packing as well. All right, I am finished packing. Dustin just got home from work, and we're gonna head to the store to grab a couple last minute items for the trip. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.